We always have a choice. We've always had one. Several years ago, we chose to befriend this loyal being, the dog. We hunted together, stuck together, shared our food and life. Human and dog established a strong relationship based on mutual trust. Today, a friendship we should have guarded with our life is found hanging by a thread. In those rare moments of love, in the off chance when some of us listen to our heart, we, with the Heads Up for Tails Foundation, are here to revive the relationship between man and animal, to take the hands of children and adults and guide them to a world where compassion is second nature, where love is enough, where each life matters. If you're on their side, join our cause. Let's all be friends again.